friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, hello, my name is Delora Nicole, and today I will be showing you all how to achieve this hairstyle. Most of you guys are used to my hair looking like this, so today I will be showing you guys how to add a few inches to your hair with the Betterlength clip-ins. If you're interested on how to do this, let's get started with this video. Betterlength is specialized in making textured clip-ins, and when you purchase, you receive the clip-ins in this drawstring bag. And these are the clip-ins that I got. I will be reviewing the 3B 3C hair today. I chose to get a set that will best resemble my hair, but if you don't know your curl type, you can simply just email them and they will help you out. Before placing the clip-ins into my hair, I do wash and condition as well as put in any curling custard that I would naturally put in my regular hair. I first start with clean washed hair, and then from there I am going to use any comb or parting tool to part my hair 1/3 down my head as well as on the sides, which will leave you with 2 small sections in the front and then 1 big section in the back. Make sure you section off the back because right now we will be working with the front 2 sections. Take any gel that you like. I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot for this and apply it to both sections in the front. I like to put a leave-in conditioner before applying gel because gel can be extremely drying. After applying the gel, we are going to brush the hair back and tie in the back with an elastic. And then I also like to go back over and brush it just a little bit to make sure that my hair is slick in the front. You can now take out the back section and it is time to put in these clip-ins. Take whatever you're using to part your hair and create a small thin section on the back of your head, making sure that your parts are clean because if not, it'll cause tension upon the roots of your hair. From there, I am now going to apply water all over my hair and then apply my curl enhancing smoothie as well as the defining gel. This hairstyle is geared towards the wet look aesthetic, so all of these products really help me to achieve this look. Pro tip, you want to make sure that you are distributing the products evenly and taking your time. Now I'm going to take the clip-ins that best matches the part on my hair. For each hairstyle, it'll be different. For this one, I'll be taking the one with 2 combs and simply snapping it into place. Go back over your hair with now the clip-on extensions and apply water, your cream, and gel of choice, and making sure that you are distributing the products evenly. We are now going to move on to parting and sectioning off the second section. When sectioning your hair, you want to make sure that it's thin enough for your actual hair to be able to blend in with the clip-ins, but also thick enough for the clip-in to be able to stay in place. And now you will repeat applying water, cream, and gel to your hair. For my second section, I will be going in with the clip-ins with the 3 clips and then just clipping that into place. And I know what some of you guys are thinking, girl, I do not have your hair texture, so my hair will not be blending like this, and that is okay. There's actually a way to achieve this exact same hairstyle without having my hair texture. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But back to the video, y'all, this method will have people thinking that this is your real hair. Now, this next part is not straight, so don't come for me in the comments. But you're going to continue to match each clip-on to each section to make sure that it's going to fit. Y'all, look how easy this hairstyle is. Like, I can't get over it. It's so easy. Because we are working your way up, the last few strands of your hair will be at the crown / the base of this hairstyle, and you're going to want to leave those out to blend over the clip-ins so that when you look at your hair, the clip-ins blend in seamlessly. These clip-ins literally look like they're growing out of my hair. They blend so well with my natural hair, and this hairstyle probably only took me 10 minutes to do. When you receive your bundle from Betterlength, you will receive 10 pieces of clip-on hair, and that is enough to do your entire hair. And for some hairstyles, you'll even have left over. And when you're done with your clip-ins, make sure to co-wash them and place them back in your silk bag to reuse them another day. Hey everyone, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. For anyone that is interested, I will have all the links for the products used in this video linked down below in the description box. I also do have a promo code for the Betterlength clip-ins as well, so make sure to go check that out. I'm so excited to start posting more on my page, and I will have a very special giveaway coming up, so make sure that you guys keep an eye out for that. I will see you guys next time.